So the EEOC, or the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, which is the big federal agency that is charged with enforcing many of the federal anti-discrimination laws, is getting sued for, get this, discrimination. How might this affect your case if you have one before the EEOC? Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle with the Spiggle Law Firm. We help people been fired or afraid that they might be. So the suit against the EEOC is pointing out that since the Trump administration has taken over, and in particular since Andrea Lucas became chair, the EEOC has dialed back efforts to enforce, and there were reports they weren't enforcing at all, discrimination cases involving people who are trans. And the plaintiffs in the lawsuit point out correctly, I think, that this flies in the face of a Supreme Court case that says the exact opposite. In a 6-3 decision, a case called Bostock, the Supreme Court found that gender identity was included in the language because of sex in Title VII, which means that it is illegal for an employer to discriminate against someone because of their gender identity, including their identity as a trans person. So what does this mean if you have a case before the EEOC or one that's going? If you are a member of the trans community, it could mean a lot. The EEOC is at the very least slow rolling these, and it may affect your charge. You still have to file it. You're still going to probably get your right to sue, and you can still go to court. If you've got a case outside of this, probably not much. Your case is still going to proceed as it ordinarily would have. And as always is the case, the EEOC is probably not going to help you just because of the numbers. You're probably going to get your right to sue too and head to court. Although you still have a chance to settle at mediation at the EEOC, and sometimes the EEOC does take action. So we'll see. So for most of you, it doesn't mean a lot. These are strange times. It's sad that the EEOC itself seems to be the one who is not enforcing anti-discrimination laws.